Hello guys, my name is Justin and welcome back to a new video. Today I will be talking about why I think the E46 is the best car you can buy right now in 2024. So the E46 is quite an old car, but I believe that it is one of the best cars you can buy right now. Depending, maybe you're a new driver, maybe you're someone who's just looking for an overall fun project car, or you're just a curious mechanic that wants to learn on how to work on cars. I think this is the best car you can buy. Reason number one is the price. Of course, it depends a lot on where you live, but you can buy E46s for quite a cheap price. I paid 2500 euros for my own 325i, so it all depends on the body and the engine that you want to choose, but in most cases you can still find them pretty cheaply. Another reason is reliability. A lot of people might disagree with me, but I think that the older BMWs in general are quite reliable cars. Of course, it's not gonna be like a cheap Toyota, but if you take care of it, that BMW is gonna serve you very well. I have owned an E46 previously, a diesel one, now I have a petrol one, and I can tell you right now that those cars have been serving me very well, so I cannot say that these cars are unreliable at all. Speaking about reliability, the problems that the E46 faces are pretty much known to everyone, and since it's an older car, pretty much everything has been documented. Like, pretty much every problem or every fix, every DIY is very well known, and with a simple YouTube or forum search you can find how to do something very easily. And the E46 is built in a way where you do not need a robot or a computer to fix the car. Pretty much a lot of the stuff is very easily accessible and very easy to repair, even if you're an unexperienced mechanic. Another reason is aftermarket support. The E46 has been quite a popular car since its release, so the aftermarket support for these cars, even to this day, is pretty much huge. Is still very huge. From visual modifications of the exterior and the interior to performance modifications, you can pretty much build an E46 the way that you want it to be. And speaking about building it, also a good thing is the retrofit capabilities. Today, if you buy a new car, you're pretty much stuck with the options that you pay for, but with older BMWs, you can easily retrofit them because most cars are already pre-wired for most options. So if you find something that you want to have that your E46 doesn't have in a junkyard or maybe in a marketplace, you can usually find different parts for very cheap prices. You can quite easily retrofit them. Again, with the DIYs and fixing tutorials, there are pretty much all of the tutorials online on how to retrofit different things. And these are my reasons on why I think the E46 is one of the best cars you can buy right now. I can guarantee that if you buy one right now, you're gonna have the most fun with it and you'll remember it for the rest of your life. And yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more BMW related content. As always, thank you very much for watching, and until next time.